What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos channel. My name is Jay Seals. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, and let's get right into the story because Justin's son, the maybe disgraced Justin's son, I don't know yet. He's getting sued by the SEC, so we'll see. But he wants to buy 41,500 Bitcoin from the US government. So let's see what's inside this story. So Tron founder Justin Sun has been going through his fair share of rough times since being sued by the SEC for fraud and market manipulation and losing his diplomatic status. Sun has been under the radar, well, until now anyway, with the recent court documents revealing that the US government plans to sell 41,500 Bitcoin linked to Silk Road in 4 different batches this year. Sun has laid out an offer to the US government. Now, if you didn't know, the only way that the US government can actually get its hand on crypto, and really, I think all they really care about is Bitcoin, to be honest, is they basically have to seize it from other companies that have either done wrong or just failed. And that's how they normally get their Bitcoin. And then what does the US government do? They sell it off for profit, right? They don't hold any of it. Why? I don't know. If they held it, they could probably make way more returns. But I mean, I think this is worth like 1.5 billion or something like that. So, I mean, it's good for the US government, I guess, monetarily wise. So the US government has announced its intention to sell an additional 41,500 Bitcoin this year to minimize the potential impact on the market. I would like to offer a purchase to purchase these Bitcoin at a 10% discount for an OTC deal. So he's trying to get it for 10% or 10% less than what it's worth, so it won't affect the market. Interesting. Okay, so that was Sun's tweet that he put out saying that basically he doesn't want to impact the market, which, I mean, okay. The Tron founder also highlighted that he's willing to purchase these for 10. I just read that. He also added that it would be an OTC deal. Evidently, the sale of such large volume of BTC could definitely affect the price. No duh. So the government seized about 51,351.89 Bitcoin in the Yolbricht case, and the government sold 9,861 BTC via Coinbase on March 14th, 2023, and it's unclear at the moment whether the government would accept Sun's request amid his legal dispute. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be one to keep our eye on. Again, interesting person trying to buy the Bitcoin, right? Like, Justin Sun is ripe with scandal right now, the market manipulation, the fraud. Like, I wouldn't sell it to him if I was the US government. Who knows? They might just get it right back from him, right? They could pull a crazy move and sell it to him, then end up taking it back in the fraud case and then reselling it again. That actually might be smart, US government. If you listen to this, that might be what you want to do. But leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think that the US government should do. Should they sell it to Justin Sun? Should they sell it to somebody else? Who would you like to see this Bitcoin go to? And then also make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button so you get more stories like this. My name is Jay Seals. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.